Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here with an extra special video today of some exceptional trading that we had today in the Rockstar Trading Room. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron for freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade for Friday, June 22nd. Well, we started to trade ARNA in pre-market. I actually traded it I shorted it from here for a total of 4%. And this is it right at 9:30. So this is a pre-market chart, and it's beginning to set up what we call a bear pullback formation, which is bearish. Let's see what happened after open. So this is now just after open, and I called a short in the room at 9:33, and I got my short entry in at 11:78. Let's see what happened next. You're not going to believe this. At 9:36, it dropped over 30% in one 1-minute candle. Look at this volume here. Over 5 million shares in 1 minute. It bounced real hard, and I got covered right here at $8.50 for 27.8% in 3 minutes. Yeah, I was a little bit shaken up. So let's see what happened next. It started to come up here, and it began to form what we call a high base just underneath the 970 line. So what do? Do we go long? Do we go short? Well, I set an order to go long, a stop limit order just above the 975 area. And then, boom, I got into that trade at 978. I'm now long. 3 minutes later, it was up here and beginning to pull back. The OBV, the indicator down here, was starting to pull down. Volume was about 1 million a minute. Is still awfully high, but it is reducing itself. So I went ahead and I sold at 10.72 for 10.5% in 3 minutes. Let's see what happened next. Now it's at almost 950. We're getting here almost an ascending triangle or a symmetrical triangle, and the volume is dissipating, so there's not a lot of selling going on. But our OBV is starting to go up, but our MFI is starting to go down. So we're getting some mixed signals here. Do we go long or go short? Well, neither. I'm getting ready to go one way or the other. Have orders set, ready to go. Next minute, it popped up here. I am now long at 10.57. Let's see what happened next. Well, it did go up and now formed another high base up here right at the $11 mark. But this is the 50 moving average moving down here. And so do you sell? Do you reverse? Well, I went ahead and I sold half there at 11.06. And I moved my stop up just under the $11 mark. And then for about the next 10 minutes, it just sat there at the $11 mark. Finally popped just below it. And I got out at 10.98. So let's take a look at what we did on this trade. First trade from 11.78 to 8.50 for 27.8% in 3 minutes. Second trade 9.70 to 10.72 for 10.5% in 3 minutes. Then we had a long trade at 10.57, sold half at 11.06, and second half at 10.98 for 5.2% in 19 minutes. Total for those 3 trades was a whopping 43.5%. Now we traded this 4 more times in the morning. So the total morning just on the ARNA trades alone was for 53.25% net. Whoo, doggies. Those are the kind of trades that we like to do in the Rockstar Trading Room. Now next week I will be leading mentoring sessions in Las Vegas, Nevada, so it will be very limited on the amount of videos that I'll be able to produce. Until then, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember, ooh, doggies.